Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust or create or delete profiles on Opera GX. And to do this, firstly we'll need to click on the settings button to the left side of the screen. Right here, go for Manage GX Profiles. Here you can see all of the profiles created for this browser. Here I have this one. So to add new one, click on Add New Profile. Now you can change the name for it, use a different color for GX icon. You can go for advanced to change the color even further. You can use a standard configuration as well as rogue, streaming or potato or custom. And now to delete any profile, we'll need to click on these three dots next to the profile and click on remove. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.